How to make a beautiful neon text animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's create index.html, styles.css and script.js files. Now let's move on to implementing the structure in the HTML file. Specify the title of the web page. Include a link to the external CSS file. Within the body, create a div element with the class neon text. Insert the text inside the div element. At the end of the body, include a script tag to link to the external JavaScript file. Now let's move on to writing styles. Set the background color to a dark shade. Use flexbox to center the content. Set the font family. Define the neon text class to style the text element. Set the font size. Set the text color to white. Apply multiple text shadow layers to create a glowing effect. Add an animation called glow. Apply a transition effect to smoothly animate changes to all properties. Define the neon text hover class to style the text element when hovered over. Change the animation to hover glow. Change the text color. Update the text shadow layers to match the new text color. Create a keyframes rule named glow to animate the text shadow. In the from state, set the text shadow to the initial glowing effect with white and cyan colors. Create another keyframes rule named hover glow to animate the text shadow on hover. In the from state, set the text shadow to the initial glowing effect. Now let's move on to implementing the logic. Use document query selector to select the element with the class neon text. Attach an event listener to the selected element to listen for click events. Define the click event function. Use a conditional operator to check the current text content of the element. If the current text content is neon glow, change it to click me. If the current text content is not neon glow, change it back. As a result, we created a beautiful neon text animation using HTML, CSS and JavaScript.